For those of you that wonder what a hive looks like on the inside, right before the virgin goes out to get mated, if you listen closely, you can hear her piping. Open the blind so you can see what's going on outside the window. I don't know how well you can see them, but they're going crazy outside. Haven't yet seen her, but you can hear her. She may be on the other side. Close the window, that's closing too much of a glare. Or the blinds, I should say. But that's what happens, they go stir crazy. Can't really see it, but they're running in and out of that. You can see them right there coming in and out, in and out. Pause the video and we'll show you what's going on the outside of the house. And that's what's going on the outside of the house. Now the question is she going to stay or is she going to leave? And they are leaving because right there's where they're landing. Right there is where the first virgin that hatched is going. That won't be too hard to get. Just get me a 6-foot step ladder because that's about 10 foot up. And we can get that girl. So you got to see what was going on when inside the hive, and you got to see what's going on outside the hive. They have two. There's two little spots up there they're clustering. May have more than one virgin that come out and decided they didn't want to stay. Alrighty, well, thanks for watching. I'm gonna go get a frame and a hive and catch this small little swarm because it just came out of a 3-frame deep observation hive, so there might be 1.5 pounds of bees. Guys, have a great day. I am.